Here is Mango Grape Heart Warmer. I call it a heart warmer because it makes the heart to feel replenished. We have two major fruits which are great for summer, not only summer, but in general, these are considered to be the most replenishing fruits for the heart. These two here, first thing, how to choose the grapes, right? If the grapes, the stem is not green, that means it's harvested long time ago and the fruit is not the fresh. So make sure that the stem is green. Mangoes, fully ripe, and then the part where the mango was attached to, it should be brownish black, and if you scrape it, it should come out like that. It should come out as one piece, just one piece. So this mango is ripe, and then I have Zen Basil seeds and a tiny bit of Amalaki. So heart, all about heart in this two fruit, wonderful, so kind of a morning breakfast dessert if you want to call. Let's try it out. So first thing that I'm going to do is to soak our Zen Basil seeds in the water. So I'm going to take a tiny bit. I don't have a lot of water in here too, so I'm going to take a tiny bit of water and then add these seeds in there. And it doesn't take much time at all for the Zen Basil seeds to swell up. I'm going to mix it so that they're all wet. I'm going to leave it in there. And then comes our mango. So I'm going to cut the mango into small chunks. So then the skin, what we need to do is, you can do it both ways. You can just cut it like this, in this way. So I'm putting, and then this way now. And then what I would do is use a spoon and then scoop it up like this. And then you will see, let me hold it this way so that you can see. So you put the spoon in and then you go underneath the skin and then you just do that. And then it just falls off like that, you see? The chunks will fall off like that. So hold it and then pull it. The same thing on the opposite side. Oops, a little boo-boo, but that's how I do it. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then take the spoon, stick it underneath the skin, just go scooping up. 1, on the opposite side, another 1. So that's about the mango that I need. Look at the Zen Basil seeds. They're already up and ready to go. So that, and I'm going to add the cut grapes. So you can make it into quarters, or you can make, so grapes, even though they're very sweet, don't get them wrong. They're one of the most nourishing fruits that nature has ever created. And believe it or not, they look like lung alveoli, the small sacs into which the air fill in. So they are really good for nourishing the lungs too. So heart, lungs together is longevity. That's what happens, right? Heart, and when you have a good heart and you have a deep breath, nothing can stop you from living a long, healthy life. So that's what we are doing here. So combining the grapes now, I'll take about maybe 15 of these and I'll be done. And whenever you cut, you also can put an intention that my heart should be strong. My heart should be, filled with love. My heart should be content. All these things can be done because intention is such a great way to keep yourself. See, a lot of negativity surrounds us. Bigger than that negativity is positivity, is in your own self. You can create that positivity by just saying what you need. So here, I'm going to say my heart and lungs need to be strong and healthy, and the grapes and the mango should do it. So now look at this combination. Don't you think this is colorful? Oh my gosh, this is such a great combo. Now it's time to add the Zen Basil seeds on the top. So I'm going to pour it in. And then finally, give it a little touch with Amalaki is now considered as superfood. It's a berry. It's called Indian gooseberry too. Its qualities are amazing. World's largest source of vitamin C in a natural form, and considered as the king of rejuvenators, and great for heart and circulation, good for the eyes, good for the liver, and gives a little tangy taste to this. So I've added about half a teaspoon of, so look at the final product. It looks so nice. So Amalaki can be taken every day in Ayurveda because it is a great tonic and a rejuvenator Rejuvenator. So you have to mix it together. Now it's all mixing it. And the tanginess of Amalaki, the sweetness of grape, all of this is going right to replenish the heart, which is such an organ in our life. The most stress infused organ is our heart. Our thoughts are conflicted, our stress is bothering it, our food is bothering it, and our circulation is also going to be bothered in summer season. So here is something that you can do so good for your heart. This is for 100 years of great heart with 3 or even 2 fruit medley for you. Interesting. It has the unique touch of Amalaki fruit. Mango is sweet. It's like almost like a surprising stimulant to your mouth. And as I swallow, I can see the Amalaki doing its sour tingling effect on my throat as well. Every morning in summer, if you do this, it will definitely replenish your heart and will be a tonic for your heart.